This video tutorial is about removing the browser scam and deceptive alerts that are related to the website Lodent.live. Lodent.live is a junk and truly deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. This Lodent.live tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted programs. So if you see these pop-ups by Lodent.live, do not ever interact with these fake security alerts. Do not trust whatever they tell you. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.